In this video, I will show you how to install and troubleshoot some error that I found while I was installing Apache Hadoop. But in this video, I will focus on how to solve that problems. You can follow the procedure to install and configure Apache Hadoop on Vultr sites. You can just follow the steps and just copy the command and put it on your terminal. Okay, let's get started. The first error is port 22 connection refused. If you got that error message when you execute the command ssh localhost, you can fix it with the command sudo apt-get install ssh. So you need to open a terminal and then you enter the sudo apt-get install ssh on your terminal and then press enter. It will download a package so you can run the ssh localhost. And now we are going to test the localhost. Sudo su -hadoop. Now enter the password and then ssh localhost. If the problem is fixed, it should show the output like this. It means the ssh localhost command is successfully connected to the port. The second error is username is not in the sudoers file. If you encounter this problem when using the sudo mv hadoop, you can go to the terminal and execute command sudo vsudo and then press enter and enter your password. And then you need to scroll down to the members of the admin group and then add this command below the admin. Hadoop is a username, so if your username is not Hadoop, just change it to your username. To save it, just press Ctrl O and then enter and then Ctrl X to exit. And now try to execute sudo su-hadoop and then sudo mv hadoop. It should be fixed. And now we are going to test the access Apache Hadoop web interface using the http localhost command in your web browser. But first you need to follow the steps from number 6. Start the Apache Hadoop cluster. Just start DFS and yarn and GPS, and then you can go to your web browser and paste the localhost. And if the web browser load like this, Hadoop site means you successfully installed the Apache Hadoop.